Hey there, future YouTubers. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to start your very own YouTube channel in 2024. I'm Tom, and today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your YouTube journey. Whether you're looking to share your passion, build a brand, or even make this your full-time gig, I've got you covered. We'll be breaking down each step of the process, from finding your niche to optimizing your videos for growth. So, grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's dive in. Step 1. Finding your niche. This is where your YouTube journey begins. Identifying what you're passionate about and what you can share with the world. The key here is to find that sweet spot where your interests and expertise intersect with what people are searching for online. Think about it. What are you naturally drawn to? What topics could you talk about for hours on end? Once you have a few ideas in mind, it's time to do some research. Head over to YouTube and see what's already out there. Are there channels covering similar topics? What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? You can create content around an existing niche, but try to find a unique angle that sets you apart from the crowd. This could be your personal style, a specific subtopic you focus on, or even just your unique perspective. The more specific you can be, the easier it will be to target the right audience and stand out in a crowded space. So, take your time, explore your interests, and don't be afraid to niche down. Step 2. Setting up your channel. Now that you've narrowed down your niche, it's time to create your channel's home base. This is where you'll showcase your videos, connect with your viewers, and build a thriving community around your content. First things first, head over to YouTube and sign into your Google account. If you don't already have one, creating a Google account is quick and easy. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. You'll then be prompted to choose between using your name or a custom name for your channel. If you're building a personal brand, using your name can be a good option. But if you have a specific niche in mind, like vegan cooking made easy or tech tips for beginners, a custom name might be a better fit. Next up, it's time to fill out your channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers who you are, what your channel is about, and what they can expect to see from you. Be sure to include relevant keywords related to your niche so that people can easily find your channel when they're searching on YouTube. Your channel art is the first thing viewers will see when they stumble upon your channel, so make it count. Choose a visually appealing banner image that reflects your brand and niche. You can use a tool like Canva to create professional-looking channel art, even if you don't have any design experience. Don't forget to add links to your other social media profiles in your channel description or banner image. This is a great way to connect with viewers on other platforms and grow your online presence even further. Step 3. Essential equipment. Now, before you start stressing about needing the most expensive cameras and fancy microphones, let me put your mind at ease. You don't need to break the bank to create high-quality YouTube videos. In fact, you can get started with just a few basic pieces of equipment. First and foremost, your smartphone is your best friend. Most modern smartphones boast impressive cameras capable of recording high-definition video. So, unless you're planning on shooting epic slow-motion shots or need cinematic-level footage, your phone is a perfectly capable starting point. Next up, you'll want to invest in a tripod or phone stand to keep your shots steady. Trust me, shaky footage can be incredibly distracting for viewers and make your videos look unprofessional. You can find affordable tripods and phone stands online or at your local electronics store. Good lighting is crucial for creating visually appealing videos. Natural light is always best, so try filming near a window if possible. However, if you're filming in low-light conditions or want more control over your lighting, a simple ring light can make a world of difference. While your phone's built-in microphone can suffice for basic recordings, an external microphone can significantly improve your audio quality. A lavalier microphone, often clipped to your shirt, is a great option for capturing clear and crisp audio, especially if you're filming in a noisy environment. As your channel grows and you start generating revenue, you can always upgrade your equipment to enhance your production quality even further. Remember, the most important thing is to create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Step 4. Creating your first video. We've covered finding your niche, setting up your channel, and gathering the essential equipment. Now it's time for the exciting part. Creating your first YouTube video. I know, hitting that record button for the first time can be nerve-wracking, but trust me, everyone feels that way when they're first starting out. The key is to just go for it. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become in front of the camera. Before you hit record, it's essential to have a plan. This doesn't mean you need a word-for-word script, unless that's your style, but having a general outline of the topics you want to cover and the key points you want to make will help you stay on track and create a more cohesive video. Once you have a plan in place, find a quiet space to film where you won't be interrupted. This could be your bedroom, your office, or even a quiet corner in your local library. Just make sure the background is clutter-free and visually appealing. Now it's time to set up your equipment. If you're using natural light, position yourself near a window so that the light falls softly on your face. If you're using a ring light, adjust it until you achieve the desired lighting effect. Make sure your camera or phone is positioned at eye level and that the framing is flattering. Take a deep breath and hit that record button. Remember to be yourself, speak naturally, and let your personality shine through. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes them, especially when they're first starting out. You can always edit out any major blunders later. As you're filming, keep your energy up and try to engage with your imaginary audience. Imagine you're talking to a friend and having a conversation. Step 5. Optimizing for search and growth. You've poured your heart and soul into creating an awesome YouTube video. Now it's time to make sure people actually find it. That's where optimization comes in. Think of YouTube as a massive library filled with billions of videos. When someone searches for something specific, YouTube's algorithm sifts through all those videos and tries to deliver the most relevant and engaging results. One of the most crucial aspects of YouTube SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into the YouTube search bar when they're looking for specific content. By including relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags, you're telling YouTube what your video is about and who it's for. Your video title is the first thing viewers see in search results, so make it count. Use a catchy and concise title that includes your target keyword. Your video description is your chance to provide more context about your video and to entice viewers to click play. Tags are another way to tell YouTube what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is crucial for attracting viewers' attention in search results. End screens and cards are interactive elements you can add to the end of your videos to promote your other content and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Organizing your videos into playlists makes it easier for viewers to find the content they're looking for and can help keep them engaged on your channel for longer. Step 6. Building your audience. So, you've created some awesome videos, optimized them for search, and maybe even gotten a few views trickling in. That's fantastic. But now the real work begins, building a loyal and engaged audience around your content. Growing a YouTube channel takes time, consistency, and a genuine desire to connect with your viewers. It's not about chasing vanity metrics like subscriber count, but about fostering a community of people who genuinely enjoy and value your content. One of the most effective ways to grow your audience is to be consistent with your posting schedule. Aim to upload new videos regularly, whether that's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, if you have the bandwidth. The key is to establish a predictable rhythm so your viewers know when to expect new content. Collaborating with other creators in your niche is a fantastic way to cross-promote your channels and reach a wider audience. Reach out to creators with similar audiences and propose collaboration ideas that would be mutually beneficial. You could create a collaborative video together, do a channel swap, or simply give each other shout-outs on social media. Don't underestimate the power of social media for promoting your YouTube channel. Share your videos on other platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and tailor your message to each platform's unique audience. Engaging with your viewers is essential for building a strong community around your channel. Respond to comments, answer questions, and run polls and Q&A sessions to foster a sense of connection with your audience. Remember, YouTube is a social platform, so be social. The most important thing is to focus on providing value to your viewers. Whether you're entertaining them, educating them, or simply making them feel less alone, the more value you provide, the more likely they are to stick around, subscribe, and become loyal fans. And there you have it. You're now equipped with everything you need to start your YouTube channel in 2024. Remember, the most important step is to just start. Your channel will evolve over time, so don't let perfectionism hold you back. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know what type of channel you're planning to start. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!